So anyways, right now, if you're looking for $2,000 a month and you're a Canadian, you can get it through something called CERB, which stands for, I believe it's Canada Emergency Response Benefit or Relief Benefit. I can't remember exactly what it stands for, but basically, if you're a Canadian and you're unemployed because of COVID-19, you may qualify for CERB. Like there are some restrictions on who can get it and who cannot get it. You have to be unemployed because of COVID-19, and you have to have been unemployed for at least the last 14 days, like for at least 14 consecutive days. And you have to have made at least $5,000 in 2019. Like there's a few different qualifications. But anyways, the best thing to do is just go to the Government of Canada's website, or just type in CERB, C-E-R-B, Canada Emergency Response Benefit or Relief Benefit. Go to the Government of Canada's website. It will take you to this, and it's very quick. It only took me maybe about 3 minutes. There was only a few very short, easy questions to answer. I did this on Monday, and I got my money yesterday morning in my bank account, Wednesday morning, $2,000. And that's $2,000 with no taxes deducted. So when you do next year in 2021, when you do your 2020 taxes, yeah, you're going to have to claim this as income. So if you qualify, it's an easy $2,000 for you. And I mean, who couldn't do with $2,000 right now? So just go to the Government of Canada's website and see if you qualify for this.